This is the St. Johns County Real Estate Auction Report brought to you by Vanta Quality Assets. You can find us at vantallc.com. Investors welcome. Now, let's go to court. And at the courthouse steps, still got some beer left, by the way. Oh yeah, CA 093351. CA 093351. That's about that. It says 1317 Lee Road. Believe it or not, that did cancel. Yes, believe it or not. But this is the property. It's a 5-bedroom, 2-bath. Probably go up again at some point. Here's the thing that we changed. Clean title Pro Max. That's professional maximum. What we feel the professionals, because there are professionals at the auction. There are professional bastards at the auctions that do a great job for their company. And these guys are, they have a certain ceiling that they go to when they bid against each other. And I've been getting a lot of data on them. Bidding data. And that's why I go. One of the reasons. And so I came up with this formula. If you remember, it was Vanta formula first. No more. I'm going to go with clean title Pro Max. Think about it. You go to the auction. You know who the pros are. When they start bidding on the property, if you know what their max is, why don't you bid along with them if you have the money? Because you know it's a good property. Next property. CA 101073. That is right by the beach, and it definitely is a very nice little condo. Okay, it looks like a condo. I think it's a condo. No, actually it's a home. Sorry, home, condo, it doesn't matter. Oh, it says condo here. Yes, it says condo. It's a condo. Anyway, here are the stats. What are the stats? Here are the stats. Here we go. Okay, and it was canceled, so it'll come up another time. But Hammock Way, very nice. Okay, next one, 111452. 111452. Let me get some drink a little beer here. Oh yeah. And Argonaut. I always wanted to be an Argonaut, but I don't like math. M-A-F, math. Anyway, banner was held at 80,000. Its estimate was 127. Nobody bid. No one bid. Why? Could have been some liens, I don't know. 0710 is the next one with the 12 handle. 0710. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, look at that. Juarez Avenue. That's Juarez, other people would say, but it's Juarez. I have to spit. Anyway, banner 45,000. Sorry. This is questionable because this estimate said 75,000. The market value is 27. Huh? What? Next one didn't sell anyway. Same thing, questionable. 67,000, market value 21. What? Didn't sell. No banner. But I'll show you the property. CA 121227. Excuse me, man, that beer is good. It's let's see what kind of beer it is. Samuel Adams Boston Lager. Okay, okay, so that's the property right there. The property is 2628 Hispaniola Avenue. Hispaniola. Man, I gotta spit. Okay, there we go. This one actually did sell. Ding, 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 ding. So let's put a nice sell color here. And yes, it sold to guess who? Well, whatever. And the banner was 106. And high bid was 115. And actually, this guy went over the Pro Max. He's no good. This no good. let's go on to actually look at the property. 1264. Sorry, I'm not really that drunk. I'm just trying to act drunk anyway. 6777 Magnolia Lane. Blah 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 blah. Right there. Pretty interesting property. That's the house right there. House is in a corner lot. Next house did not sell. Okay, banner was held at 213, but let's look at the property. 0829 right here, Orangewood Road. I wonder if that would actually taste like orange. And basically that's the stats right there. Let's go to the next one. The next one actually did sell. Very, very interesting. Now, the Pro Max is 170. And this guy actually went a little over, just $1,000 over. And he was bidding against another guy. And, well, these are pros. These are pros. Anyway, the banner was held at 147, and that's what sparked the whole bidding war. And I would probably have bid as well, but then I would let it go because it would have went over the Pro Max. But anyway, this is the property right here, 900 Hazeltine Court. Hazeltine. I remember having some Hazeltine when I have diarrhea, which is often, really is. Okay, next one. Some idiot. Oh, he was an idiot. He started at 1,000, then went to 10,000. Everybody looked at each other because, you know, the banner was sold at 165,000. But he was an idiot. He went up to $101,000, and of course, the bank took it back because that's what their banner was. It didn't sell. But let me show you the property that this idiot wanted, and then he left it. Well, the bank can have it. Well, fuck you! Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to curse, right? Doesn't matter. Nobody watches these videos anyway. Okay, let's go on. That's why I can get drunk and curse. 1 3 2 1. 1 3 2 1. Once I get popular, maybe, you know, I'll clean up my act. Okay. If you ever see the plaintiff total not viewable, that means that it's not viewable on the web. And do I really care what the plaintiff total is? No. All I know is the banner was at 257. No doubt that would have been the plaintiff total. High bid was 100. The property did not sell. And 1321 is what you see here. 265 Atlanta Circle. And the last property also did not sell, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. Again, plaintiff total was not viewable. 199 Crete Court. And yes, 199 Crete Court, and it does not look to me like a type of place that I would want to live in because it's a condo. But then again, condo living is good for some people, ain't good for me. Ain't good for me. And that's all she wrote when it comes to the auction. And another news, here's a 30-year fix mortgage rate. Here's the looking at a 5-year chart. Well, remember, this here is the wedge that's still being formed, and this is a smaller wedge within a wedge. And zooming in, we're going to see that, ooh, interest rates went up. And they are as high as they were back in June, back in even May even. 4.25. Interesting. Anyway, something to think about, because if they keep going up, at some point they will breach this trend line, which is the top of the wedge. And if they do that, oh, we're looking at a pop to the upside. Pop to the upside. Yes, I'm still drunk. Okay. Now let's look at the housing index. Remember last video, the housing index was going down. It just went up a little bit. Now look at it, and ow! went below. This is a 6-month chart. 192 is resistance for the 6-month. Ooh, let's look at what resistance it is for, say, the 3-year chart. Actually, resistance is 190 for the 3-year. Right here, just around 190, topped here at 192, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4 that hit the 190 mark. So we're still within a consolidation sideways pattern, and the overall long-term pattern is still up. But beware when moves like these, when they start touching, and if they breach resistance levels, beware. Then again, we got the Federal Reserve manipulating everything, don't they? So don't worry about it. Good old Yellen, she's going to print more of that money, buy more of those CDSs, and hey, there we go. All right, wanted to show you something else, taking this into consideration. According to Yahoo, U.S. seasonally adjusted home prices fall in May. Case-Shiller, S&P, they fall in May. I see that. Yes, I see that. Very interesting reading, but tell me something I don't know. Although something I didn't know: housing markets in France in meltdown after Holland rent caps. So people are not buying because they can't increase the rent. And yes, there are rent caps, and you know what? It's in meltdown. And so, will that hit here? If they do rent caps here, maybe, possibly, but I don't think we do that, except if you're in New York or whatever, they have rent caps there. And so, regulations. Anyway, that's what's going on this week in the auction and the news. And remember, have no fear. Hats off. Bid well.